Cargo lashing. Chenli patented products. Have passed CE GS TUV certifications. This product meets the European SHF and STF, standard hand force and standard tension force. Plastic handle, aluminum handle. Free choice. Curved design, high comfort. Stiffener increases handle strength. Double sprocket ratchets design. Additional strength and a smoother action. Grooved design reduces friction. Flexible operation. Reduces hand pulling force. Lower card plate with chamfered ramp design increases safety factor. Increase the contact area. Stable lashing. Extended guide groove design. Smooth unloading. Rolled edge design increases comfort. Flexible operation, saving efforts. Using Swiss imported Muller weaving machine. Good wear resistance, high strength, neat stitches, strong tensile force. Patented belt, wear to scrap standard. Visible black warning line. Color optional. Chenli cargo lashing. Factory direct, patented products, easy effort saving.